This UV coating machine is equipped with UV curing and IR drying device, with automatic feeder and the stacker, digital frequency converter speed control, and independent conveyor driven. Larger diameter coating rollers makes the coating effect smoother, brighter. Full coverage splash guards to protect from splashing. You use the vacuum air before maximum hold down the paper sheet on conveying. UV magnetic leakage transformer with parallel capacitor design can better endure the voltage fluctuating impact. To level UV lamp power setting. Easy access UV lamp chamber and replacement. High velocity blower fan for cooling and exhaust.